Camera's bumping up and down. I just pressed play. Here we go. Molly! It's me and you. Now, even though we still be maybe watching this videos individually, I just always feel I have to talk to somebody. Molly, what's next? Okay. Types. Molly, there's lots of different types of bones. Molly, can I start off and give you the first two types? Thanks. Molly, there's this one type of bone that's, well, it's compact bone. Molly, I'm going to compare this to the other type of bone that's called spongy bone. Hey, Molly, I'm going to ask you, what do you think the difference is? Yeah, the spongy, it's like squishy. You can move it. And compact bone is it's really dense. All right, Molly, if you're a word person, that works. If you're a picture person, I'm going to help out picture people. See, Molly, compact bone is really, really dense. It's made up of this bone that's really, really close together. Molly, I'm drawing a bunch of little dots really close together. And Molly, because these little dots are really close together, it's really dense. And Molly, this type of bone is called compact bone. Now, Molly, I kind of help out the word people now. See, spongy bone is squishy. And the reason why it's squishy, it's made up of little needle-like pieces of bone put together. And Molly, for the picture people now, I'm getting too much yellow up here. I gotta go rave green. See, Molly, I'm saying it's made up these little needles, Molly, and these little needle pieces of bone are woven together, and because they're woven together, Molly, it's not dense, it's not compact, and by having these little needle-like pieces here, it makes it kind of squishy. You follow me, sister? Okay. Doing really well, Molly. I gotta change the page. Molly, the next one's gonna be easier. Number 3, we'll go one at a time. Molly, there's some bones like this one. Bob, get over here. There's some bones like this one. They're really long. Molly, what should we call that? Good. Long bone. Molly, there's these type of bones that are really long. It's a long bone. Good example, Molly. Example is the femur. Molly, Bob's head fell off. Molly! Well, if there's long bones, yep. There's these. There's short bones. There's a bunch of these little bones right there, and they're short bones. Good example, Mal. Example is fingers. Molly, what's up with this? Hey, what kind of bone is this? Yeah. It is. It's kind of flat. Perfect. Flat bone. Good, Molly. Example is the skull. Now, Mal, we have to do this. See, flat bones are a little bit unique. They're made up of 3 layers. They're made up of a layer of compact bone, and then spongy bone, and then compact bone. Got it, Molly. I'm going rave green. Molly, they got compact bone. Molly, yeah, I was thinking aqua blue. And then it's spongy bone. Back to rave green, Molly. And then compact bone. Molly, for word people, that works. But now let's help out the picture people. See, compact bone is really dense, so I'm going to go like this. Compact bone down here is really dense, so it goes like this. Molly, and then I'm going to go. The spongy bone is made up of these like little needle-like pieces, like woven together like this, Molly. Yeah, got it, good. Molly, we helped him out. I don't know how to ask this question, Molly, like through video, and then how am I going to get like a bunch of wrong answers and then finally the right answers? So I'm going to save this question for next class. Why? Why are flat bones made up of these 3 layers? We'll revisit that question next class. All right, Maul, last one, number 6. Molly, remember in grade school, there was always like somebody that was just, well, or maybe Molly, maybe it was a brother, maybe he knows a family member. Molly, they're just a little different. Molly, what do you call them? No, Molly, you don't call them weird. No, that's not good. We got to come up like a good word. That doesn't seem mean. Got it. Irregular. See, Mom, there's long bones. I can understand it. Molly, there's short bones. I can understand it. Molly, there's flat bones. I can understand it. But then, Molly, then you got like these bones. Hey, Molly, what are we going to call these bones? They're just not like the other ones. And that's how they come up with the word irregular. These irregular bones are like the vertebrae. The vertebrae, in fact, this is the vertebrae of an elk right there. In the middle of the vertebrae is going to be the nerve cord. That's right, Molly. Example. 8 minutes. Probably should stop that video and start number 3.